Guys, here is our gold. Let's take a look at the daily time frame and understand the trend itself. The trend itself is a downward trend, right? This our gold is actually on a bearish move, and I've also included this moving average, 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading it. Once the price is below the 10 period moving average, then we are on a bearish move. But if it is above it, we are on a bullish move. So we clearly can see this price below the 10 period moving average. So this is a bearish move, meaning we are too short. Now take a look at this movement here. We saw price has once dropped to this level, reacted by pushing up, right? We also saw price drop to this same level again. It reacted by pushing up again, right? We're strongly going to see a price drop to this same level again. So watch out for a bearish move on this our gold. We still be expecting a drop on our gold, right? So you can take a look at this movement. This will consider it as a drop. We will consider it as a correction, and now a new drop will be made on this our gold that we take out this lows. So from here currently to this level, we still have about 179 pips or 1,794 points bearish move to be made on this our gold. Now let's take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. So we would see the trend on the 4-hour time frame. The trend is clearly a bearish move, right? So you can take a look at this here, impulse downward. Here comes the correction. Here is the impulse move, and here comes the correction. Again, we had this huge impulse move, though we can see it as a correction, which 1, 2, and now it is correcting itself. So maybe possibly once this price can get to this level, which is about 1,631. Currently, we are trading at 1,635. If you see it drop to a level of 1,631, we will definitely see a pullback. Then another bearish move will be made on gold. Maybe once we've had this pullback, you can enter to jump on this trade on this our gold, and you can short it. I think it is still not bad, by the way. Secondly, the price is still below the 10 period moving average. So gold, by the way, we are still on a bearish move, and if you want to short it, then wait for a pullback to be made. At least once a pullback has got, once the level has gotten to 1,631, then you can wait for a pullback to be made before you enter to short it. And let's see what the 1-hour time frame actually says, by the way. So clearly this is a drop, right, which has broken this level here. Maybe once we get a drop downward to this 1,631, right, we should see a pullback to a level of about 1,338, then a continuous bearish move again on our gold for the day.